Hot glued this down. In sewing, where you have a pattern, grind this down right there. These are CNC'd. These are going to be our swing arms. Where the swing arm bolt's going to go through, the head of the bolt will be flat. So if we can CNC some and then weld these segments on the larger one that we've cut out, the larger one will provide enough support. So I set that at 1 millimeter. You can see it almost busted all the way through. The CNC'd parts, we're going to lay those over the ones that we cut out by hand. Gripping it, just don't want my eyes up over it. Center piece, so it'll insert into the leg. This is just to remove any kind of grease. Glasses on before it lets you turn it on. Have a bolt go there, a bolt there. We'll have room for the gas tank to fit in. Woo! This is the fun, scary part. 3 did a good job. It means something got wiggled around in the mold. So group 1, a little deformation, but we still got a usable part. And then we'll take that up to an 8 millimeter. Way better than I thought. Now I know this is gonna be a tight fit. Maybe, oh no, actually it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's gonna be our spar hoop connections. These are swing arm connections. Just pop out of there. This, once we get them out, they're gonna go on the end of the spars so that the hoop can connect. Spacers that go back on the back part of the frame, not in the center, but on the back. Hoop segments were bent just a little bit too much. But it's still not a perfect fit because it came off this older frame that we used the last 2 semesters. Yeah, that's thin. So we've got the depth just about right. We wouldn't want to do that without gloves on. This one first, like that, before we put the pulley in. So we're gonna place that in here. We're gonna go ahead and try to crank it up. Also want this for a class activity, so I made a really robust pulley. I think as long as this sucker cranks and nothing hits the cage when we really give it some gas, we should get a flight in if the weather's good tomorrow. Let's get this cranked. I'm gonna crank it first. Good news is we're flying. Bad news is it's gusty. SkyMax star frame that I had, this is way better. Like I'm not feeling the amount of vibration I was feeling on that other one. There we go. We'll come back and get that camera here in just a second.